Hello team, how are you doing? Gavin here, and today's video is an assisted crunch. So what we find is a lot of people that go and do crunches to try and strengthen their midsection up and lose body fat, but ultimately, as I said before, you can't spot reduce. So even when you're doing crunches, it's not going to do an awful lot for getting rid of the flab, but a crunch does have its place. But what you find is a lot of people who are maybe overweight or really detrained, or certainly as you get older, can't do proper crunches anyway. So they end up hurting their necks. They're not getting what they need to be done, and we're not focusing on the abs as we should do. So this is a really good alternative. If you've got a little bench like this, you can set the bench up to a bit of an angle, and you're going to sit back in. And what you're going to do, more of an assisted crunch. So as you come forward, you can just engage the core and lift it up. It is still quite challenging. Come to the top, and then every single vertebrae touch the bench and roll it back down again and come back up. Okay, and again, you may find that if this is too hard, you could bring the bench upright, or you take it even lower if you want a harder version. All right, again, you can do it this way with the arms in front of your body. It makes it just a little bit easier. Roll it all down and take it back. So from the side, what it looks like, come back nice and flat, curl it up, and every single vertebrae will touch the bench. And again, you can make this a little bit harder, like I just said. I'm going to lower down the bench, and same thing. Come back up and roll it back down. It's a really good beginner crunch. It's going to get you the full range of movement, and the stronger you get, the lower you can take the bench, and obviously the better you can become. And then obviously when you get really good, you can lie down on the floor and you can do the crunch that way. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, wherever you're looking at it, and let me know your thoughts, and I'll do my best to answer the questions. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.